All right, guys, here at Whirlwind Family Farm, I want to show you something today, and that is arugula that has bolted. And we're just going to go through here, and if you look closely, you can actually see there's some pollinators on there. We're here in February, which it's been extremely warm for February. It's supposed to get cold tonight as the cold front's coming through. But that's arugula that has bolted, and bolt is just another word for blooming. And this was actually planted back this fall, and now it's flowering out, and we're actually in these high tunnels getting a few pollinators, as you can see as I go through this arugula. And it's pretty impressive to see. This will be pulled here in about a week as we're going to make room in these rows to plant new things. But I just thought I would show you what arugula looks like when it's bolted. So today, I just wanted to show you what that arugula looks like when it's bolting or blooming. Kind of something you don't get to see every day, because usually it doesn't really get to this stage, and we've let it get this stage because we're just keeping these rows occupied. So we thought we'd give you a look at it. But something I wanted to say today to all of those of you who follow this channel, it is so greatly appreciated. We don't take it for granted. Each and every subscription for this channel is appreciated, and we're so thankful. So something I rarely ask, and I want to ask today, if you're watching this for the first time, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notification, because here at Whirlwind Family Farm, we're going to start through our long form videos this spring, where we're going to take you all the way from the seedling all the way to harvest, from using our seed trays, planting directly, trellising, weeding, all the things that's involved in gardening. We're going to show you exactly how we do it here at Whirlwind Family Farm. And in that process, we want to cut through all the clutter and the chatter and the confusion of gardening and make it as simple as possible, because we know you have another life, you have a career, you have things to do, and your gardening should be simple and relaxing. And that's what we want to do for you here, is make it a simple process where you can have good, healthy, organic vegetables right in your backyard. So thanks again. So remember, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notification this spring. So each time one of our long form or any of our videos hit, you'll get that notification and check us out. Thanks again. Blessings over you, your family, your garden. Talk to you soon from Whirlwind Family Farm.